All right, welcome back to Earth to Trinice. It is currently like 1:40 p.m. Both of my roommates left already. It's the day of the Corman Ball, my first ever one. I'm still here because I get my makeup done here for the first time ever at y'all don't know military time, at 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. and I'm praying that only takes about an hour, so I could leave by 4. It takes an hour to get to the hotel, so if I get there by 5, we're trying to leave at 6:30, so that would give me an hour and a half to get ready, which is about the exact time I need. So let's pray that all goes well today. But yeah, right now I'm just about to eat before I go and then chill, because I have about a little less than an hour before I'm supposed to go. So yeah, child, I literally am recording this YouTube video, and then I'm finally using this camcorder that I got so that I can get like a 2000s home video vibe from the camera that I want to put into this video. And then I gotta take my Polaroid camera to get pictures, and then regular phone pictures. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna really take my Polaroid, because actually I probably am. I'm just gonna have 3 devices on me. Who gonna say something? But yeah, the next time y'all probably see me is probably when I'm getting my makeup done. So I'll talk to y'all then. Oh, this is so cute.
I'm glad you like it.
What? Oh, can I see what the
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is so cute.
Yeah, I think it came out really good.
I'm obsessed with the pink. Okay, my makeup took longer than expected. I don't know if I like under that light. Longer than expected. I just got here. It's like 7 p.m. I gotta hurry up. I'm trying to leave the room by 8. So let me just show y'all the room real quick. It's not a thing, but it's so pretty. I love it. So you walk in, and this is the room. Like, that's it. There's 2 beds. Me and my friend are staying in here. I love the space. We have enough space for both of us to get ready. Like, it's huge. And then it's just the toilet in here. And then let me see. You go in here. How do you turn on the light? Hold on, let me zoom out. Yeah, you go in there, and it's one of these kinds of showers. So yeah, I am about to get ready, and hopefully my makeup stays intact while I get in the shower real quick. I will see y'all probably when I'm at the ball. This is the dress. The camera's probably not doing it justice, but yeah. And this is the purse and the shoes, and I don't care. Don't say nothing about my flats. This is the dress. Okay, it's 8:02. It's 8:02. I am leaving now. Let me just show y'all the dress real quick. Yeah. It's giving body, you know what I mean. I'm sweating like crazy. I just have a lot of anxiety, but I'm leaving now because it's a 15-minute drive, and hopefully they still serving food so I can get my meal. See y'all later. Bye. I know you see red lights on me. Now can we get 2030? What?
know, but I wanted to get into 2000s like aesthetic. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. Y'all heard on the camcorder. It's super and I was in.
It's June 25th, day one of the expedition. And we're here, barely alive.
Ain't got body roll, don't give fuck my love. You like fuck my love, you might call my love. Love gon' set me up, bitch don't set me up. I'm retaliate, you ride like the car, and she weak, like one Vicky. Oh my God, down that titty.
I didn't know if I could get some sunflowers because I didn't see none nowhere else. Girl, I just feel like crap. I feel like.
Cause you make my earthquake. I don't want no conversation, no. You know that I miss you.